Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to go through this question found in physics. Okay, so under the topic called electricity. These questions are commonly found in two exam past papers and you must have ideas on how to solve this. Okay, so let's go into details. We solve the first part. Figure 1.1 shows a circuit consisting of a 12 volts battery with a combination of resistors between points X, Y, and Z. Okay, so we have the point X, Y, and point Z there. So you can start the diagram. We have a 12 volts power supply, and we have the 6 ohms, 12 ohms, and the 2 ohms there. Calculate the effective resistance between Y and Z. Calculate the effective resistance between Y and Z. So the effective resistance is the same as the total resistance. So here they want you to find the total resistance. So a total resistance between Y and Z can be found by two formulas. We have two formulas which you can use. The first option, we use only if you're finding the total resistance between two resistors. Now, before you calculate the total resistance, you have to notice if it's a series connection or parallel connection. That's when you know the correct formula to use. So these two resistors, which are between Y and Z, are in a parallel connection. So the formula to use is total resistance is equals to resistor 1 times resistor 2 over resistor 1 plus resistor 2. We use this formula only for two resistors. Okay, so let's get it. So total resistance is equals to resistor 1. You can make any of these as your resistor 1 and the resistor 2. So resistor 1 for me becomes a 6 plus times resistor 2, which is a 12, over resistor 1, which is a 6, plus resistor 2, which is a 12. So total resistance is equals to 6 times the 12. 6 times this, that is 12. Then you have 7. So 72 over 6 plus 12, 18. Okay, so we can reduce this number. 6 into 72 goes 12 times. 6 here goes 3 times. 3 into 12 goes 4 times. So total resistance is equals to 4 ohms. Okay, good. That's how we do it. Now, if you're new to this channel, thank you for subscribing. And if it's your first time watching my videos, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that red button, and you'll always be notified whenever I post the new videos. Okay, then we do offer online lessons, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. We also introduce English. So the online lessons have already started, especially for GCE 2023. So you can contact me on 0972 36 50 11. Okay, or WhatsApp. You can also WhatsApp that. It's also on WhatsApp. We're going to be find the current passing through the 2 ohms resistor. The current through the 2 ohms resistor. What is the current? Okay, so here it's a bit crucial. We want to find the current. We don't know what voltage this possesses. We don't know what voltage it does. So using the direct formula will be hard. So for you to find the current passing through this, you first have to find the total current in the circuit. Remember, when you combine these two, it forms what is called a series connection with the 2 ohms resistor. When you combine these two to make one, like we had combined it to find 4, so we imagine that we do not have these anymore, so we have 4 ohms here. So this and this one becomes in a series connection or connected. Okay, so we just imagine that because we could already combine this. So we have to find the total current because the current is the same in series connection at all the points. So resistance is equals to voltage over current. You can make that the subject of the formula if you want, but I prefer going direct just like that because other people, they have challenges in making subject of the formula. So now for you to find the total current, then we have to find the total resistance in the circuit. Remember here we combine these two to make 4. So the total resistance becomes 4 plus 2, which is a 6, is equals to the total voltage, which is a 12, over current, the one we want. Cross multiply, resistance a fraction, you cross multiply, current times 6, we have 6 current, which is equals to 12. Divide by 6, divide by 6, current is equals to 2 amps. Okay, so this is the total current, which is the same as the current passing through the 2 ohms, because current in series connection is the same at all the points. Okay, good. Question C now. Calculate the voltage across the 2 ohms. Calculate the voltage across the 2 ohms. The voltage across the 2 ohms. Okay, so we are using the same formula. Resistance is equal to voltage over current. Now we want the voltage across this. Remember I said we don't know the voltage which is in 2 ohms. That's why I could not use these two as a resistor when finding each current. Okay, so now we can find each voltage because we know the current and we know the resistor. This is the 2 ohms resistor. So we have 2 is equals to voltage over current. We had found is 2 over 1. And voltage times 1 is voltage, which is equals to 2 times 2, 4 volts. So the voltage across the 2 ohms resistor is 4 volts. Okay, thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. And thank you so much for those who have liked the video and those who have subscribed. Have a good day.